software of BingJoel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you around the software and teach you and show you how easy it is to generate profitable campaign, okay, that you can import into your own account and start seeing results as soon as today. Okay, first thing is, if you have an ad blocker, please make sure that you turn it off on this website or on this software, because you are going to be working with some ads, so having an ad blocker would interfere with your experience. So just first, please make sure it's turned off. First, let's go ahead and create campaign, and let's say you are into the weight loss niche, so let's create a campaign and name it weight loss. Okay, and automatically the software will take you to the ad search, where you can search for ads that's proven to be profitable for other people, and you can just swipe up these campaigns into your own account and start making money. Okay, so the keyword here, let's try weight loss. Okay, so we have a campaign that will organize everything for us, so this name is just for you, and the keyword is what you are actually telling the software to find ads for. Okay, so you can try weight loss, how to lose weight fast, anything you like. So weight loss, hit search, and now the software will go ahead and find all of the ad that's running profitably for this keyword. And as you can see, it returns 3 ads for this specific keyword that's proving to be converting. Okay, and now you have their entire landing page, the headlines they use, the keyword, the description of the ad. So let's open up the landing page, okay, and you see exactly the landing page they are using. So you can create similar one if you are promoting the same product. You can see if they are promoting affiliate offer. So as you can see, this one promote multiple products. Okay, this one is a quiz. So you can see what your competition is doing. So let's say you like this one and this one. You hit save here and save here, and all of these ads is saved right now in your ad library. So if you go to the ad library and filter through all of your saved ads here by the campaign we created, weight loss, okay, as you can see, here is the 2 ads that we saved. You can copy the headline, you can copy the description, you can copy the landing page, and in the video course you'll see more and more in-depth training on how to use this effectively in your campaigns. Okay, so now we have 2 ads that we know that's working fine in this niche that you can use in your account and create other variation of these ads. Now what we are missing is the keywords that we're gonna use to run ads for. Okay, so to do this, let's go to the ad search and select the campaign select the campaign we want to search for keywords in, and let's type in here weight loss. Now what will this do is, actually, this is ad search. Let's go to the keyword search. Okay, weight loss. What will happen right now is the software will go ahead and find the highest buyer intent keywords that you can use in your campaign to maximize your results. So let's hit search. Okay, it takes, as you can see, like 1 to 3 seconds, and it will generate all of these keywords that you can use. Now if you have some keyword that you want to add to this list, you can just type it here easily. So let's say how to lose weight, for example, if you want to add this one. Okay, lose weight fast, and so on. You can add as many as you want. Also, you can delete as many as you want from this list if you see something that you don't want to use. After that, you hit save, and it will show you in the keyword library here what you have been saving, and you can click export, and depending on the campaign you are running, you can choose from broad, phrase, and exact. Okay, so let's say we are going with exact match. You choose this, and it will automatically format all of the keywords for you. Hit copy, and you are ready to go. Okay, it's very, very simple but very powerful software to use. Please watch the training, okay, the full training, the full 5 model, to know how to use this effectively in your Bing advertising. Okay, if you have any question, just reach out to me through the support desk. You will have the link inside your membership area. And yeah, thanks for watching.